Did you know you can create a cozy car camper setup in just 5 to 10 minutes? I car camp on a part-time basis. Most of the time, I car camp solo. Sometimes I do like to bring members of my family with me. And the solution that I'm going to show you today is perfect for that. If you're a part-time car camper, if you're a weekend warrior, and heck, even if you're full-time, this setup may be the perfect thing that you need. In 5 to 10 minutes, you can go from a car camping setup to an everyday family hauler. Welcome to Dee's Roads. I'm Dee. I've been car camping in my Hyundai Santa Fe on a part-time basis since September 2021, adventuring and exploring mostly in the East Coast of the US for now. I began car camping as a budget-friendly way to reconnect with nature and escape the daily rat race. Here's Sky. She joins me from time to time. If you're interested in watching solo car camping adventures and occasional tips, this is the place for you. Subscribe and join the ride. In order to make sure I place the cargo boxes in the correct area, I'm using the provided diagram and double-sided adhesive Velcro strips. Now that that easy step is done, I'm going to align these cargo modules to the Velcro that I've already placed on the cargo area. Yay, that's done. So now I'm going to go ahead and place both of the modules, the cargo modules, into place. All right, so now that I have the two main cabinets, as you can see, they slide out. These open so you can put storage in here, and same thing over here. But we're going to do some sinks and some water. So now that I have these two set up, it's time to connect the back two right there. All right, so to make the bed fully extendable, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of move this over here and going to make sure this is nice and even. So now, before I put this top piece on, what I need to do is I need to secure it underneath. So all you're going to do to secure it is take these here. Okay, so now that those are secure in place, I'm just going to tighten these up a little bit. So no screwing, no bolts, no drills, no screwdriver, just as simple as that to make sure that it is level. Okay, so now I'm just going to take this piece here. As you see, it already comes screwed. I'm going to take this piece here, and there are these two little holes here, or two little pieces that are sticking up. And all of them I'm going to do is make sure that those align with the holes in this board here. Let me get up here so I can see better. There we go. I just had to give it a little tap. And then I can take this piece here and see there's these little pegs that just go right in. Boom. Okay, so that's the single side. Now let me get to the double side. And I'm just going to repeat the same process here. I'm going to move this out. Actually, I'm going to move this on top of here. Okay. All right, so basically, ow. I'm unlocking this. Make sure this is pulling out evenly. So here's what we got going on so far. I just need to level that section out over there. Put some stabilizing legs here. I love this material that they have here. I love the detail they put into this. It's a great protective covering there. I'll tell you one thing's for sure. They really put a lot of precaution and thought into this packaging. There's no way these things are getting damaged in shipping. All right, so this one I intentionally set up just a little bit higher, and I'm thinking because now that I have all this open back here, I can go ahead and prop this up just a little bit higher, not too much because I don't want to break anything, and then I can easily look out the back, look out my view. All right, so I've already slid this out and put the leg here, and now the next step to get the kitchen, actually, here, to get the kitchen going is you just lift this here, snap that into place there. And now I can put this back and it opens up all this storage that I can use while I'm cooking. And I'm just gonna do the same thing with this second one right here. Just gonna pull these down, lock it into place, grab this guy here. So this is what I mean when I say in the other video that I did that this is very, very modular. There we go. All right, I can put this back in. There we go. And as you can see, now I have all this storage back. Let's go ahead and put the sink and the stove in here. And this right here has magnets. It goes right down like that. Comes with everything you need for your sink, and you can close it up, and it also has a trap. They really thought of everything with this one here. And this is battery operated here. So you can just, if I had it hooked up to water right now and I had it charged, here we go. And you can't see right now, but up in here, you can even set it to like the volume that you want. Down below, you can see the sink is fully functional. You just have to hook it up to some, like a gray water tank. And then we have an isobutane stove built right in. They send you the cords to hook it up underneath. And then one of the other things that I really love is that they included these bags, these storage bags. So when I'm done, say for example with my sink, I put all of the components in here, boom, everything is stored away. And then to put this back in place, all I have to do is lift this compartment up here, place it back in with the slots where it belongs, push these locks down, let them go, release. Oh, need to put this back here. Slide this back in, and boom, it is locked into place. Now I can use this as storage and tuck away those items right down in here. So now all my kitchen stuff is securely put away. And now let me show you what this bad boy looks like in bed mode. They do provide the mattress. So this is the first time that I'm unfolding it. So this is for the smaller side. There we go. Okay, there we go. Smaller side is done. And the mattress does come in different colors. They have a lot of different variety for the mattress. Okay, and it has Velcro here at the side, so you can push the mattress together to make sure it stays together when you're moving around. And to get in, I'm just gonna get in down here for now, just to show you. Here we go. And even though this mattress seems really thin, for me, it's fine because I tend to like a firmer sleeping surface anyway. But I like that this mattress here is like probably, if it's an inch, no more than an inch thick. And this part right here, this wood, is 6.3 inches. So I love the fact that it has a low profile and I can still kind of sit up. But what this does is it makes sure that I actually spend more time outside in nature, especially with the warmer weather coming, instead of always cooped up in my car camper. Although I love hanging out in the car camper, the purpose of this is to get out in nature. And this really helps me with that. Now, Klaxon Outdoor also provides you with these straps to make sure that you can tie this down so it's not, sliding all over the place when you're driving. But as you can see, this is pretty much in place. This is really not going anywhere. And I love the fact that I still have room over in these side pockets, right over here for extra storage. Right over there is where I'm gonna put my water jug, right back there. That way I can hook it up to my sink and my water faucet. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna basically reverse everything that I just did to show you how quickly this goes from being a car camper to an everyday family hauler. As you can see, that was super simple. Everything packs down nice and compact. I still have room at the top if I wanted to put groceries or any other gear. And let me take you around to the side so I could show you what it looks like on the inside. I've put all the things that you had to take off, like the legs and the extra head support for up in this area, and I put them right there. Now all that's left for me to do is go ahead and put the seats back in, and I'll go ahead and put this seat back up. There we go. And I still have space back there. Now you're probably thinking, what are you going to do for storage? Come back next week and I'm going to show you exactly what I plan on doing to make sure that this stays simple, minimalist, with optimal storage and design without the use of any storage bins. Now, I have a lot of pros to mention about this awesome SUV conversion kit, and I wrote them down because I think they're very important and I want to make sure I convey them properly. Number one, because I think this is an awesome conversion kit, one like I haven't seen before, and I'll tell you why. So first, universal fit. As long as you have 40 inches in width where you can store these, including the little area where your wheel well is, you can use this in an SUV or in a van. Also, when it extends fully out, it's between 71 inches in length to 93 inches in length when you have your whole kitchen out. And because of this footprint where it's only 6.3 inches, it doesn't take up a lot of headroom. So you still have room to comfortably move around without feeling like you're in a little box. Now, compared to other conversion kits that I've seen, this definitely has superior quality. I'll put the specs up of what kind of wood is used, but because these also have built-in ventilation, you're not going to have to worry about your mattress becoming moldy. The other thing that I like about this is, say if I'm sleeping over on this side, I can easily pull this up and access my storage underneath without any special hooks or anything, because there are no screws, there are no bolts. You don't need anything like that to make this conversion kit work. Everything already comes done for you. All you have to do is just pretty much put it in your car and lay it out. And I don't know what this material here is called, but I will tell you that it makes it a lot more high end and it protects the wood underneath. I can tell you these edges are very, very smooth. So to me, they did not sacrifice on quality here or on build. I think the build of this conversion kit is super smart because the user, literally it takes me 5-10 minutes to put this into car camping mode. And even with all of the extra bells and whistles that you would not get in other conversion kits that I've seen out there, like a real sink, a real stainless steel sink with an option to put a tube in there or a drain in there for gray water, with an option that already comes with a faucet, with an option that already comes with what you need for an isopropane stove, a cutting board, you know, all these other accessories. I don't see any other conversion kit that includes all those, especially not for the price of this. I've seen similar builds like this, lower quality, don't include as much modular items for $1,000 to $2,000 more, and they want you to pay shipping. As of right now, this is free shipping. The next Pro, again, there's no screws, there's no drilling, no screwdrivers, no drills needed. It's all done for you. And another thing that I really love, that I'm going to go more in depth with on in the next video, is that this can be set up for 2 people or for 1 person. And when you set it up for 1 person, you can get extra clever about where you put your car camping accessories, like your refrigerator. Now, the total weight of this is a little bit less than 140 pounds. So it's 139.44 pounds. So basically this weighs less than your average adult. Yeah. So it's kind of like you just have another person small person riding around with you. I'm really going to enjoy this product. Plus I love these little pull out drawers here. I know I'm going to be doing so much more outdoor cooking. I usually prefer to cook inside, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that with this new setup. But now when I'm at campsites, I am making myself go outside of my comfort zone and cooking more outdoors. Like I said, a part of this was to make sure that I spend more time outdoors, that my build is minimal, it's simple, and it can go back and forth from a car camper to a family hauler in a matter of moments. And I can also fit an extra family member. So make sure you check out the Klaxon Outdoor KX380 SUV conversion kit. I want to deeply thank Klaxon Outdoor for their generosity in letting such a small channel like These Roads test this out and provide honest, valuable feedback. So thank you for your generosity. If you are interested in this, which I highly suggest you at least take a look at this, I believe These Roads viewers receive a 10% off discount code, and I'll put that in the video. But this also comes, if you don't want this full kit, you can also get the single version just for 1 person. You can also get it without the pull-out drawers and all the extra kitchen accessories. So I hope you enjoyed this video and see how easy it is for this Klaxon Outdoors KX380 to transform your vehicle into the ultimate car camper, and then quickly change it back, transform it back to your everyday family hauler. I'll catch you on the next one. Happy car camping and safe travels.